This is a national global emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the National Aeronautics, Space and Administration. The asteroid, Series 129, is expected to collide with Earth within the next 2 hours. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do to stop the catastrophic event. When the asteroid impacts, giant mega-tsunamis will form, megaquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked entirely for about 50 whole straight years. Every organism and species on Earth will be put to an end when this happens. The only recommended action is to gather all your friends, family, pets and anything else that makes you comfortable and please embrace for impact. This is the EAS guy, Tom Smith, signing off for the very last time ever. We will now play the national anthem for the very final time. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of our emergency alert system. May God bless you all and may God bless America.